Hi, this is Harold Albright. Welcome to the topic, what is lead generation in digital marketing? The first e-business took off in the early 1990s and never looked back. Now, before we get started, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click that bell icon so every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. As I was saying, it has been 30 years since e-business took off, and the internet has grown immensely. The primary advantage of digital commerce is that it enables you to reach many prospects internationally in a very short period while costing significantly less. Gone are the days when business advertising was limited to placing newspaper and television ads and handing out flyers. Marketers can now run world-class digital campaigns with little more than a cell phone and an internet connection. Fast forward to the present day, the new digital marketing era is all about online marketing. Enterprise marketing, personal marketing, all done online. A firm grasp of these novel online digital marketing techniques creates the groundwork for effective marketing in the modern day. Digital marketing uses data to better understand and connect with relevant clients. Advertisers may now target audiences based on their interests, demographics, and other factors. The result is highly focused and customized campaigns that target only the most likely buyers of your products or services. Digital interactions take place through a variety of channels and platforms, and the list continues to grow. Customers are continually inundated with a plethora of new offers. Marketers must emphasize lead generation to operate effective digital marketing initiatives in both B2B and B2C. It is how firms attract both business and consumer clients and nurture them throughout their buyer's journey, from awareness to purchase. So what exactly is a lead? Anyone who expresses an interest in a business product or service in any way, shape, or form is a lead. Instead of receiving a random cold call from someone who purchased their contact information, leads often hear from a business or organization after initiating engagement, entering personal data for an offer, a trial, or a subscription. Assume you complete an online survey to learn more about our maintenance, car maintenance that is. A day or two later, you receive an email from the auto firm surveyed with information on how they may assist you with automobile maintenance. This is a lot less intrusive than being contacted out of the blue with no prior knowledge of your level of interest in car maintenance. This is what lead generation in digital marketing is all about. And from a business standpoint, the information the car firm gathers about you from your survey enables them to tailor that initial message to your specific needs and avoid wasting time phoning prospects who aren't interested in auto services at all. When consumers convert from being a visitor to a customer, they become leads. Not every lead is created equal, nor are they equally qualified. There are several types of leads based on their qualifications and life cycle stage. So first, there's market qualified leads. Marketing qualified leads are contacts that have expressed interest in your marketing efforts but are not yet ready for a sales call. An MQL is a contact who completes a landing page form for an offer. Sales qualified lead, SQL. Sales qualified prospects are contacts who have demonstrated an explicit interest in becoming a paying customer through their activities. An example of a sales qualified lead is a contact who fills out a form to inquire about your goods or service. Product qualified lead. Contacts who have utilized your product and performed steps indicating an interest in becoming a paying customer are considered product qualified leads. PQLs are generally used by businesses that offer a free or limited version of their product, such as HubSpot, with the option to upgrade. This is where your sales staff comes in. A product qualified lead consumer uses your free version, but communicates with or inquires about your paid features. And then a service qualified lead. Service qualified leads are contacts for customers who have expressed an interest in becoming a paying customer to your service staff. Service qualified lead is a customer who informs their customer service rep that they wish to upgrade their product subscription. The customer service rep will then escalate the customer to the appropriate sales team or representative. So what is digital marketing lead generation? Lead generation is the process of identifying, enticing, and converting online users into potential clients. The technique uses internet channels, tactics, and strategies such as email marketing, paid social media advertisements, and even giving downloaded information via a landing page. Let's talk about the process of lead generation. Now that we've established a little bit about how lead generation fits into the inbound marketing technique, let's go over the lead generating process step by step. To begin, a visitor learns about your business via one of your marketing channels, such as your website, blog, or social network profile. After that, the visitor clicks on your call to action, CTA, an image button or message that urges website visitors to take action. The CTA directs your user to a landing page, a web page specifically designed to collect lead information in exchange for an offer. An offer is any piece of material or item of value that is offered on the landing page, such as an ebook, a course, or a template. The request must be viewed as having sufficient perceived value for a visitor to supply their personal information in exchange for access. To summarize, a visitor clicks a call to action, which directs them to a landing page where they complete a form to receive an offer, at which point they become a lead. Strategies for generating leads for your digital marketing agency. Lead generation tactics are one of the most difficult aspects of digital marketing as businesses seek to expand their client base. The key to increasing traffic and sales is the quality of the leads being generated, which in turn depends on the quality of the service being offered and the quality of the material created to attract the targeted demographic. A new sun has risen as a result of technological innovation. The globe has become a global village, and the digital era has altered how we run our businesses. Whatever changes occur in the digital marketing or advertising world, the primary objective will always be to bring more qualified leads to your website to increase sales and conversion rates. Now here's another important point. Create a mobile-friendly website. In today's world, dominated by cell phone users, it is absolutely essential that websites become mobile-friendly. Consider your website to be a digital version of your business card. If your website is not designed for a seamless mobile experience, this can be devastating for your business. If your web page does not load or function properly on a cell phone, this is cause for grave concern, given the number of people who use cell phones and the amount of traffic you are failing to serve adequately as a result. Many areas of the world are totally dominated by cell phone users. And even in the fully developed world, desktop and laptop or tablet computer usage is giving way to mobile access. One way to address this is to do a comprehensive website scan and focus on the regions or pages that are not mobile friendly, and then request that your web developer make them as mobile friendly as possible, or construct additional responsive web pages or a separate standalone website that is accessed transparently by mobile users. Keep in mind that this is only a stopgap, and the only real solution is to make all of your content mobile friendly. Customization of your content. The generic form of a landing page will never help you and will never enhance your conversion rate because they always target a broad audience, which is not a good thing in this situation. By offering individualized material to your website's visitors, you can boost your prospects. For instance, You may wish to show different material to the CEO of your business and an advertising agency. Identifying and channeling each person's interests and desires into your content will assist you in generating more leads. Create a blog. To properly offer your service, you must consider the buyer's perspective. When visitors come upon a website for a digital firm, the information provided is insufficient to satisfy them. They eventually abandon the idea of investing in it entirely. So create a blog or accept guest blogging opportunities to post more personalized material or discuss how you can assist businesses in driving more visitors. You can attract clients by using various keywords and writing several how-to articles on the top digital marketing areas. The ideal strategy is to pay close attention to customer feedback and incorporate it into your service and blog posts as much as possible. Optimization of web pages. You must begin at the beginning, and because your website is the primary source of all traffic, you must determine whether it is running properly. Website loading issues, lagging performance, and a poor user interface repel visitors rather than attract them. Numerous programs can assist in scanning your website for faults. Knowing which clients or businesses have visited your website is critical for sales-oriented marketing. This can be delivered to a sales representative for a well-crafted follow-up conversation to secure further clients. If you have any questions, be sure and leave them below the video, and we'll respond to your questions. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again.